Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great. Hey guys, today we're making these delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. They're so good and super easy, so stick around to find out the whole recipe. Check the link in my description for a printable version of this recipe. First, you're going to add 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once all your dry ingredients are in the bowl, mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, you're going to add your wet ingredients. You're going to start off with 1/4 cup of butter that's softened. Next, you're going to add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar or sugar alternative and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Make sure to mix the butter and sugar together until they're all creamed together. Once your butter and sugar is all mixed together, you're going to add half a cup of pumpkin puree and half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix all of your wet ingredients together until they're combined. Your next step is to combine the dry and wet ingredients together in one bowl. About halfway through for mixing, I added half a cup of chocolate chips and a little bit more just because I like chocolate. And this is what your dough will look like when it's all ready. Next, take your cookie dough and spoon and dollop pieces of cookie dough onto your sheet. This recipe would easily make 12 cookies, but I did bigger scoops, so I only got 8 cookies out of the recipe. Here's how they turned out. These cookies are so good. The pumpkin makes the cookie so soft, and it's not too strong of a pumpkin flavor. They're delicious.